I recently got a free parts car that came with a nice aftermarket high-performance muffler. The problem was that the muffler looked absolutely horrible and was covered in overspray, road debris, and other junk. I cleaned it up to make it look much better, and in this video I'll be showing you how I did it. This process took about 10 minutes, some lacquer thinner, and a bit of Brasso metal polish. To do this, I simply soaked a rag in lacquer thinner and rubbed it onto the stainless steel muffler tip that I was trying to clean up. Make sure that if you're going to do this that you use a lot of thinner so it really soaks in and removes all the paint and grime on whatever you're trying to clean. Also, wear gloves because you really don't want this stuff on your hands. It's not good for you. I'm sorry for the autofocus problem here, but as you could see, the lacquer thinner easily eats through all the buildup on the muffler tip, and after a little bit of scrubbing, it takes it right off. By the time I was done, the muffler was looking really nice and shiny again, minus a few scratches and dents in it, which were in there before I even got the thing. It was a free muffler after all. Here's another shot of the same process, but this time in focus. This one is in real time, and you can see how easily the paint is stripped off. To shine up the muffler just a little bit more, I used Brasso metal polish and some super fine steel wool. This is a pretty similar process to stripping the paint. Just apply light pressure in a circular motion and the surface will clean up and become even smoother and shinier. Once you're happy, use a rag to buff off the remaining polish. This may take a bit of rubbing, but the surface underneath will come out looking great. If it weren't for the deeper scratches and the dings in the muffler tip, it would look brand new. That's going to wrap up this video. I just wanted to make a quick one that showed how easy it is to clean up stainless steel with lacquer thinner and a bit of elbow grease. Subscribe for more and good luck on your projects.